A healthy lifestyle routine for girls should focus on physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here's a quick guide to look after yourself. 1. Balanced nutrition. Prioritize fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats as part of your diet. Drink plenty of water, about 6-8 glasses a day, and limit sugary drinks. Eat in moderation and avoid overeating, while ensuring meals are balanced. Reduce intake of sugary snacks, fast food, and refined carbs. 2. Regular exercise. This can include cardio 3-5 times a week. Engage in cardio exercises such as brisk walking, jogging, swimming, or dancing. Include strength training in your exercise routine 2-3 times a week. Include bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges for muscle tone and strength. Incorporate stretching to improve flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Engage in activities that you enjoy, like sports or group fitness classes, to make exercise a regular part of your routine. 3. Mental health and stress management. Practice mindfulness or meditation for 5-10 minutes a day to reduce stress and improve focus. Journaling. Write down thoughts, feelings, or goals to gain clarity and manage emotions. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to ensure proper rest and mental rejuvenation. Reduce the time spent on social media or electronic devices, especially before bed. 4. Self-care routine. For skincare, use products suitable for your skin type, and never skip sunscreen during the day. Maintain good hygiene, including brushing and flossing teeth, showering regularly, and keeping nails clean. Take time for yourself through hobbies, reading, or simply relaxing to avoid burnout. 5. Healthy relationships. Positive social circle. Surround yourself with supportive, positive people who uplift you. Set boundaries. Learn to say no and maintain healthy boundaries in friendships and relationships. Communication. Practice open and honest communication to maintain strong emotional bonds. 6. Regular health checkups. Visit your doctor for routine checkups to monitor your overall health. If needed, talk to a therapist or counselor about any emotional challenges. Stay informed about menstrual health and visit a gynecologist as needed. 7. Limit harmful habits. Avoid smoking and alcohol. These can have long-term negative effects on both physical and mental health. Moderate sugar and caffeine. Keep sweets and caffeinated drinks to a minimum. 8. Positive body image. Embrace and appreciate your body's uniqueness rather than comparing it to others. Focus on what your body can do, rather than how it looks. 9. Personal growth. Learn new skills. Continuously challenge yourself to grow mentally, whether by reading, taking up new hobbies, or learning something new. Set goals. Establish short and long-term personal goals to stay motivated. Building and maintaining a healthy routine takes time, so start small, stay consistent, and focus on progress, not perfection.